Okay, so part B, we have y is less than 2. So if we were going back in time, this would look familiar to you. And if you had that, then you would say to yourself that you had a y-intercept at 2. This is the same thing that you have here is a y-intercept. So you're going to put a point at 2 on the y-axis. And then after that, we need to discuss if this is going to be a solid or a dashed line. We don't know. So we need to come over here and look at our inequality sign. If I go back to the first page and look at my steps, I know that if it doesn't have that line underneath it, that or equal to sign, then it's going to be a dashed line. So I'm going to have a dashed line. Also, is this going to be horizontal or is it going to be vertical? Well, if I have a y-intercept, it wouldn't make sense for it to be a vertical line, so it's also going to be horizontal. So I'm going to have a dashed horizontal line going through 2. Okay, so now let's pick my test point. I'm going to pick 0, 0 because it's my favorite, and we're going to plug 0 in for y and keep everything else the same. So 0 is less than 2. Is that true or is that false? Is 0 less than 2? Sure hope that you're saying it's false, because it is not true. 0 is not bigger than 2. So I'm going to shade where 0, 0 is not. I'm going to shade on the top here, because we don't want to shade where 0 is, because it is false. So everything on top here is a solution. And in this case, 0, 0 is not a solution.